name's Kevin Leyra. I'm with XL Construction. We've been in business for 24 years, been with the Blue Book for 12 years. We're a carpentry outfit out of Middletown, New Jersey, and our first experience with the Blue Book was we got a project before we were actually even in the Blue Book. We just committed to having an ad in the Blue Book. Somebody had called from the online site, and we've been with that company for 12 years now doing steady work for them. This week, I just got three calls on Monday from the Who's Who showing that the magazine came out, over the weekend, and customers are in the Blue Book looking at the Who's Who and, calling local contractors. So it's definitely have been working for us, and we've been doing very well with the Blue Book.
So XL Construction, you guys have been in business a while. What's something that kind of sets you guys apart and makes you guys unique?
Basically just integrity. Everything that we do is on the up and up. We're a union shop. All our guys are professional carpenters that are highly trained. And I think that's what makes a difference. Why we have repetitive customers, and it's easy for us to find contractors to bid to, is because they know, 24 years in business, we have, a history.
Yeah, exactly. Well, thank you so much for joining us today, and thank you so much for sharing your story. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot.